Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Miami, Florida, where local time is approximately 3:30 p.m. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes, so please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, indicating that the aircraft has safely stopped at the gate. At that time, please be careful in removing your overhead luggage and may have shifted during landing or takeoff. Be sure to check around your seat for additional items that you may have brought on board. As you exit the aircraft, there'll be an agent awaiting you to assist you in any connecting flight information or answer any questions or concerns you may have. On behalf of your new base staff and crew, your Star Alliance Network, we'd like to thank you for selecting United, and please travel with us again. At this time, cellular telephone use is now permitted.